If you're over 60 and your eyesight isn't what it used to be, this message is especially for you, because what you drink before bed tonight could either help protect your vision or slowly make it worse while you sleep. Many seniors believe vision loss is just part of aging. That blurry print, those dry, tired eyes at night, the glare from headlights, the feeling that your eyes just don't recover anymore. But here's the part that often goes unspoken. Your eyes don't rest when you sleep. They repair, they restore, they flush out waste, and what you put into your body before bedtime can quietly influence that process. Right now, millions of adults over 60 are unknowingly drinking the wrong things at night. Some drinks dry the eyes, some spike blood sugar, some reduce circulation to the tiny blood vessels that feed your retina, and over time, night after night, that damage adds up. Maybe you've noticed it already. You wake up with gritty eyes. Your vision feels worse in the morning than at night. Your eyes feel strained even when you haven't read or watched TV. That's not just getting older, that's your nighttime repair system struggling. The truth is, after 60, your body becomes far more sensitive to what you consume in the evening. Hydration matters more, inflammation matters more, and gentle nourishment becomes critical, especially for delicate organs like the eyes. Here's the hopeful part. There is a simple, warm, senior-friendly drink that many older adults are now using before bed. It's not a drug, it's not expensive, and it doesn't promise miracles. What it does do is support circulation, help calm nighttime inflammation, and give your eyes the nutrients they need while you sleep, when repair is most active. Doctors have quietly talked about this for years. Traditional cultures have relied on it for generations. Yet most seniors have never been told about it in plain language. Instead, they're told to wait and see, or use stronger glasses, or that's just aging. But aging doesn't mean giving up. And it certainly doesn't mean ignoring what your body is asking for at night. In the next part, I'm going to explain, very simply, what actually happens to your eyes during sleep after age 60, why common nighttime habits may be accelerating vision decline without you realizing it, and how one gentle bedtime drink can support your eyes naturally, safely, and realistically. Stay with me, because once you understand this, you'll never look at your nighttime routine the same way again. Let's talk about your eyes in a simple, honest way. After age 60, your eyes change faster than most people realize. Not suddenly, but quietly, night after night. During sleep, your eyes depend on three things more than ever: good hydration, healthy blood flow, low inflammation. When you're younger, your body can recover even if those things aren't perfect. But as we age, the margin for error becomes smaller. Here's what's happening. While you sleep, your eyes are no longer blinking. Tears are not spreading across the surface as often. That means your eyes rely heavily on internal moisture and circulation. If your body is slightly dehydrated, your eyes feel it first. If blood sugar is unstable, tiny vessels in the eyes become stressed. If inflammation is high, repair slows down. This is why many seniors wake up with dry, tired, or blurry eyes. The repair process didn't fully finish overnight. Now let's talk about common nighttime mistakes. The first mistake is drinking too little water in the evening. Many seniors limit fluids at night to avoid bathroom trips. That makes sense, but it often leads to dehydration during sleep. Even mild dehydration thickens the blood, that reduces oxygen delivery to the eyes, and the retina is extremely sensitive to that. The second mistake is drinking the wrong things before bed. Sugary drinks raise blood sugar while you sleep. Alcohol dries the eyes and disrupts circulation. Caffeinated tea or coffee interferes with deep sleep, which limits repair. Even fruit juice, which sounds healthy, can spike sugar at night. That puts stress on the small blood vessels behind the eyes. The third mistake is ignoring low-grade inflammation. As we age, inflammation increases naturally. It affects joints. It affects memory. And, yes, it affects vision. Inflammation slows healing of the optic nerve and the delicate tissues that help you see clearly. Now here's the key point. Most seniors are never told. Your eyes don't need aggressive treatment at night. They need gentle support. They need warmth to encourage circulation. They need minerals to support nerves. They need antioxidants that work slowly and safely. This is where the right bedtime drink makes a difference. A proper nighttime drink for seniors does three important things. First, it hydrates without flooding the bladder. Warm liquids are absorbed more efficiently than cold ones. Second, it calms inflammation instead of stimulating the body. No sugar spikes, no caffeine. Third, it supports blood flow to the eyes while you're asleep. That's when repair is most effective. Many traditional cultures understood this long before modern medicine. They used warm, mineral-rich, plant-based drinks at night, not for instant results, but for long-term preservation. And no, this is not about curing eye disease. It's about supporting what your body is already trying to do. In the next part, I'll walk you step by step through 4 safe, realistic nightly habits for seniors, including the exact bedtime drink, how to prepare it, when to drink it, and what to avoid. Simple steps, no extremes, no false promises, just practical habits you can start tonight. Let's move into the practical part now. Everything I'm about to share is gentle, realistic, and senior-friendly. No extremes, no complicated routines, just small habits that work with your body after 60. We'll take this step by step. Habit 1. The bedtime drink that supports eye repair. This is the drink many seniors overlook. A warm cup of turmeric milk, also known as golden milk, prepared very gently. Here's why this matters. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound known to support the body's natural anti-inflammatory processes. Milk, especially warm milk, helps with mineral absorption and relaxation. When taken in small amounts before bed, this combination may support circulation and calm low-grade inflammation that affects the eyes overnight. How to prepare it safely. Warm 1 cup of milk, dairy, or unsweetened almond milk. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Add a tiny pinch of black pepper. This helps absorption. Optional. A small pinch of cinnamon for taste. No sugar, no honey at night. Stir well. Drink it 30 to 45 minutes before bedtime. Important notes for seniors. Keep the portion small, warm, not hot. And if milk doesn't agree with you, almond milk works just fine. This is not a cure. It's gentle nightly support. Habit 2. Stop drying out your eyes after dinner. After 60, dehydration shows up in the eyes faster than anywhere else. But many seniors unintentionally dry themselves out in the evening. Here's what to do instead. Between dinner and bedtime, sip small amounts of warm water, not large glasses, just steady sips. Warm water absorbs better than cold water. It supports circulation without overfilling the bladder. Avoid these after 6 p.m. Alcohol, sugary drinks, fruit juice, strong black tea or coffee. These drinks either dry the eyes, spike sugar, or disrupt sleep, all of which interfere with nighttime eye repair. Habit 3. Reduce nighttime eye strain before bed. What you do in the last hour before sleep matters. Bright screens force the eyes to work when they should be winding down. Here's a simple rule. 1 hour before bed, dim the lights, reduce screen brightness, increase text size. If you watch TV, don't do it in total darkness. That contrast strains aging eyes, and if you read, use warm light, not harsh white light. This gives your eyes a chance to relax before repair begins. Habit 4. Support circulation with a 2-minute eye-friendly routine. You don't need exercises, just gentle stimulation. Before bed, rub your hands together to create warmth. Gently cup your palms over closed eyes. Do not press. Breathe slowly for 60 to 90 seconds. This warmth encourages blood flow around the eyes. It relaxes facial muscles, and it signals the nervous system to calm down. Many seniors report their eyes feel less tired in the morning after doing this consistently. One final reminder, none of these habits work overnight. They work quietly, night by night. Consistency matters more than intensity. In the final part, I'll share why it's never too late to support your vision, how seniors in their 70s and 80s still see benefits from small changes, and how to stay hopeful and proactive without fear. If there's one message I want you to remember, it's this. You are not too old to support your eyesight, not at 60, not at 70, not even at 80. Your eyes are living tissue. They respond to care, they respond to consistency, and they respond especially well to calm, supportive nighttime habits. Many seniors feel discouraged about vision changes. They assume decline is unavoidable. They think, what's the point now? But the body doesn't work that way. Even later in life, your eyes continue repairing themselves every night. They still depend on hydration. They still depend on circulation, and they still benefit from reduced inflammation. The difference after 60 is not whether repair happens, it's how well you support. Small choices, repeated daily, matter more than big efforts done once. A warm, gentle bedtime drink, calmer evenings, less strain, better sleep. These are not dramatic changes, but they create the conditions your eyes need to function at their best. And that matters. Because clearer vision supports independence. It supports confidence. It supports quality of life. Reading comfortably, driving more safely, recognizing faces without strain. These moments are worth protecting. Now let me reassure you of something important. Nothing we discussed replaces professional eye care, and nothing promises miracles. This is about support. Supporting what your body is already trying to do each night. If you start tonight, you're not behind. You're right on time. Pick one habit. Just one. Do it consistently for a few weeks. Then add another. This gentle approach is how lasting change happens after 60. If this message helped you, consider sharing it with someone you care about. Many seniors are struggling silently with their vision. They deserve to know there are simple ways to support their eyes naturally. And if you'd like more calm, senior-friendly health guidance, key this. Stay connected. There's so much you can still do to protect your health and independence. Take care of your eyes tonight. They've taken care of you for decades, and they're still listening.